Bang.
Pushing me out of the way.
Santana, you're waking them up. You're the one with that.
I'm looking to get a new iPhone for my son.
We have it. And right now you can get 15 gigs for the price of 10.
Oh, good, because he goes through data. Oh, there's my boy. He's looking for a new iPhone.
He goes through it like,
Yeah, data streaming, texting, and loves watching football games.
oh yeah, who's your favorite team?
He chats. He doesn't talk. That would be weird. Get an iPhone at AT&T and get 15 gigs for
You will find a great pharmacist to recommend most for cold and flu relief medicine. Advil Cold and Sinus is only the Ask your pharmacist for fast, powerful Advil Cold and Sinus. Relief doesn't get any better than this.
Tula, Tula, what do you think about that?
And get a great gift advice. Because when you get 10, people will just love it. They're for you. Win the holidays at Best Buy. August and Edwin have always been close to each other in the phone book. But now, August and Edwin are as close as two friends can be. Snuggling together on a sandwich. We have the meat. Love just